how to edit workspace icon in monday.com. So hey guys, today in this video I'm going to talk about how you can edit workspace icon in monday.com. So if you're working on monday.com and you feel the need to edit the icon of the workspace, watch this video and by the end of it you'll know how to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into monday.com. Once when you log in, you can see that you will be redirected here on this home page, and here are multiple boards that you're working on. So first, let me explain you the concept of boards actually, or workspaces actually, sorry. Workspace are the sections which contains your boards. For example, I'm working here now. I have three workspaces. One is my main workspace, one is marketing, and the other one is production. Now, I have a company that handles both marketing and production of mobile components. So I've made two boards. One contain all the workspaces of my marketing, the other one contains production. Now, for example, if there are other things which are apart from marketing and production, such as the sales annual report, finance annual report, or the company audit, that set of databases will be contained here in the main workspace. Or if we have another idea generation, we're going to put it here, and then we can transfer it later on to production or marketing once the idea has been completely ripped off. So that's the main function of workspace. Now I'll tell you how you can edit the icons. For example, if I need to edit the workspace icon of the main workspace, what I'm going to do, I'm going to open my main workspace, then I'm going to click here on these three dots, and here I can edit it. I can rename it if I want, or I can change the icon. So here I can choose different colors if I want, and here I can change the icon. So I've used my main workspace as brain because this is where the main ideas come. Moreover, if I need to change the icon of marketing workspace, I can click here, change icon, and change the color first, put any color I like, and then I can change the icon right away. But I'm going to keep this because marketing involves cash and marketing leads to cash. And this is the production. I can also change this by clicking here, edit workspace, and change icon. So that's how you change an icon of a workspace in monday.com. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.